Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a guess the number game with Python. This code is only for those people who are beginner in Python. So without delay, let's get started. And try here I'm gonna giving it 33, try here 44, try here 55, and it's also asking me for try here, and I'm gonna give it 670. I'm gonna give it 90. Okay, try here. I'm going to give it 95, 96, 97. Oh my god, I gave it here 1000. I'm gonna reduce this to 100. First 22, try here 33, try here 44, try here 55, try lower. I think the number would be 44 to 55, so I'm gonna give it here 47, try here 50, 53, and it's asking me to try lower. Okay, try lower. Okay, I'm gonna give it 52, 51. Congratulations, you guessed the secret number 51 in 9 attempts. Okay, this is the attempt. I tried 9 times. That's why it appears the 9 attempts. Here is the attempt, and every time it will increase the attempts. So this is the basic code of Python. Who wants to learn how to create guess the number game, it's only for the beginners who wants to learn and who wants to practice the Python code. Okay, thank you very much. That's it. That's all.